I'm Delilah, and I'm here to help you let go of the anxiety surrounding your death. The ocean beckons, its whispers woven through the waves, inviting you to let the tide carry you. I was born from the mist and murmurs of the forest, and its creatures are my kin. The videos you've just seen were made for free. Not a single dollar was spent. So, if you'd like to create similar content for your social media or video editing, follow the simple guide.
This video is available in several languages. You can select your preferred language from these settings and choose the audio track you prefer. Create a SuperStudio account if you want to use AI-generated videos for free without a watermark like Kling, Runway ML, Luma, Minimax, Genmo, or any other AI video tool. SuperStudio from KyberAI is a great option. Visit the SuperStudio website, link in this video's description, and sign up for a free account. As of when this video was recorded, you will get 50 free credits to create AI videos and images without watermarks. Create an AI image from the SuperStudio dashboard, click the Create button and select Image Flows. Pick the AI model you want to use. For this example, we'll choose Flux AI, click Add to Canvas and enter your image prompt. Be sure to design a unique character in a distinctive environment to capture attention. Select your aspect ratio, then click Generate to begin. Image to video. Now, let's transform our AI image into a video. From the SuperStudio dashboard, click Create and select Video Flows. Pick the AI video model you want. Check the cost per second before continuing. For this example, we'll use Kling AI Standard. Click Add to Canvas to move forward. Drag your AI image into the Video tab. It will automatically become the first frame of your AI video. Type your prompt in the description bar to tell AI what kind of video you want it to create. Choose the Kling AI version, set the video duration, and click Generate to begin the process. Once done, download the video to your computer. AI Lipsync. Now, let's make our AI video speak using Pixverse AI. Head to the Pixverse AI website, link in the video description, and create a free account. With a free account, you can generate AI lip-sync videos, though they'll have a watermark in the top right corner. However, if you're subscribed and watch all my videos, the watermark won't be a big issue. From the Pixverse dashboard, go to the speech menu. Upload your AI video from KyberAI SuperStudio by clicking Add Video and selecting Local File. Then, write a script for your AI character. Pick an AI voice actor from the list, enable the original audio option, and click Create to start the lip-syncing process. Once it's done, download your video and share it with your grandpa. Help this poor AI. This AI YouTuber has made over 100 free tutorials. No sleep, no coffee, just pure AI dedication. The least you can do is hit that like button and subscribe to help keep the work going. Let's show the world that humans aren't so bad after all. See you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.